Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited because we're talking about Sanrio today. One of my favorite topics, brands, everything. I love Sanrio. These happen to be functional Sanrio items, which is what I love. I love when it's cute, but also something I can use on a daily basis. So we're talking about cups. So I found this seller, Nancy Creations, I believe is what she's called. I have her on Instagram. I found her through many hours of scrolling on Instagram. You already know what happens. It just traps you. And I saw that she sells, not just Sanrio, she sells a lot of cute cups, like these little glass cups and a couple of the plastic ones. So I picked some up. Or not really me, my husband got this for me for the holidays, like a Christmas gift. We don't really get each other anything. We don't typically get each other anything, but when he saw that I was looking at this, he got it for me. There was a big sale. I always try to wait for a sale because if you're getting more than one, it kind of adds up. These are like $15 to $22. So when you wait for a sale, it kind of helps it out. But yeah, this is a glass cup. This is a Sanrio kind of dessert coffee treats one. So you have cinnamon roll, you have Hello Kitty, you have Kuromi, you have My Melody and Kuromi, and you have some conchas, and I think it's really cute. I just like the aesthetic of it. I like the croissant. It's pink, it's pastel, it's sweet. It comes with the glass straw as well, and I haven't washed these yet, so that's why I haven't used them yet, but I do really love having cute cups for my water. I'm unfortunately not a coffee drinker or a tea drinker, so there's not going to be anything super special in this. It's like when you have cute mugs, I drink water out of them because that's all I drink unless I'm eating a meal, in which case that's when I pop off with the soda, with the juice, with the fruit punch, with the iced tea, the sugary drinks that I'm trying to avoid. That's the unfortunate correlation that I have when it comes to eating a meal. I hate eating a really good meal. Let's say Chipotle. I hate eating a bowl of Chipotle and then going for a sip of something and it's just water. It's the most unsatisfying thing ever, and I hate that about myself. Like, I really wish my parents had made me and my brother only drink water with meals, because I feel like I wouldn't be in this predicament, because there's so much sugar in those drinks. Whatever, we're not gonna get into that, but anyway, here it is. This is the first one. Super cute, super pretty, super cozy, warm. And then this one's definitely my favorite. This is the paletas one. So it's a couple of Sanrio characters in popsicle form, which I think is super cute, and I like that at the end of each of the popsicle sticks there's a little design that kind of correlates with the character. So for My Melody, she has a little flower, Kuromi has that little skull thing, Cinnamon Roll has a little pastry because they're sweet, Hello Kitty has a heart, and there's just a bunch of little hearts and stars around the whole bottle, and I think it's cute. Again, the lid, the glass straw, these are cute. I am a little bit clumsy, so I did want also a version of one of these that didn't have the glass, that was just plastic. So I got this cold cup. I will say right now, I'm not supporting this company right here, that logo, so I will be getting a sticker. I just have to find the right dimensions. I will be buying a sticker to just cover that up because I'm not supporting this brand in 2024 or for the foreseeable future, as long as they're funding awful things overseas. But aside from that logo, it says Cafecito and Chisme, which I tried translating to my husband, who is like German, Irish, and a little bit of Puerto Rican. He doesn't actually speak Spanish though. So, or he gets it. He's getting there. He's like, what's Cafecito and Chisme? So I was like, it's coffee and gossip, and that doesn't sound as cute in English as it does in Spanish. So then I was like, well, maybe I shouldn't have gotten this cup, because in Spanish it sounds cozy and cute and sweet, and there's like conchas, like all the Sanrio characters are shaped like this little dessert sweet. How do you even describe a concha? I don't know, but I love it. So it's cute, but then Cafecito con Chisme just doesn't sound the same. At least that rough translation doesn't. It also says Hello Kitty on the side. So I think this is super cute. Minus that, like, it kind of tainted it for me. This was bought like a while ago, and these take a while to get made, so in retrospect I should have chosen just another glass design, but I'm so clumsy that these cold cups are really nice for me to just be able to have water in a cute cup and not be prone to breaking something. There's an ambulance nearby. I dropped this earlier while I was filming another video, and I'm stunned that it didn't break. So this is the last one. This is Hello Kitty and Dodgers. She's with Hey Daniel. Is that his name? I forgot. Hey Daniel or Hello Daniel. One of those is the little Hello Kitty boy. So it says Dodgers, let's go Dodgers. And I used to be a hardcore baseball fan, but I'm from New York City, so I would go to Yankee games with my dad, even though I live closer to Citi Field, to the Mets. So you're thinking, Janie, why would you get the Dodgers, the LA Dodgers? I don't know. I just thought the artwork was super cute. I thought I sound like such a whatever. I thought the artwork was super cute. It just pops and stuff like that. The only issue, this is not an issue with the seller, again, it's an issue with the other companies or whatever, is a couple of months before I purchased this cup, I was on TikTok, right? I've become that person. Now I'm on there all the time. So I saw like a historical, there's like people who upload historical moments in history, historical moments, and they kind of do some educational content with it, right? So there was this video about the Dodger Stadium when it was getting made, and or like the newer stadium, whatever, I don't know, and basically how they physically displace, like physically remove like these Mexican American or like Chicanos from this neighborhood in order to get the stadium built, even though they were landowners and they had every right to be there. They were literally like, you can see the videos, like there's videos, there's photos of them just being removed in order to make a stadium, a baseball stadium. And I think that's so incredibly frustrating. And if I had remembered that moment while I was ordering this, I wouldn't have bought it. But yeah, I just think that that happens way too often in history. Even here in New York City, like with Central Park displacing the Seneca Village, with the Lincoln Center also causing a lot of harm for marginalized groups of people. Uptown as well, Lincoln Center, Columbia University also continues to amass land and inevitably hurts the communities surrounding it. I hate it. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this cup because it is very cute. I might just give it away or something. I'm really not sure. Again, nothing wrong with the seller. It's just not for me. Now that I know, I just don't like it. And also, it kind of hits close to home because here in Queens, there's a lot of talk for building a casino and getting rid of a lot of public, beautiful land that is also inevitably going to hurt the community and hurt the animals, hurt the nature that is surrounding these parks. And it's just really frustrating. Money talks, capitalism. But anyway, this video took like a little negative turn over there, but that's what I realized after I had purchased these cups. And I don't feel comfortable doing a price breakdown because my husband brought these for me as a gift, so I don't want to like pull out that email and take a look at it. But I'm really appreciative. I think they're really cute. I think they're really fun. And it's been a while since I've had anything Sanrio themed other than like Build-A-Bear and stuff, which at the time that I'm filming this video, it has not yet arrived. I bought a Pachaco. How do we feel about Pachaco? I don't know. We gotta do a whole video about that. But if you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate it. As always, I'm trying to spend more time on YouTube because I've noticed that I've kind of been straying away from long form content, even though I've been the one to complain that everyone is now so addicted to short form content. And now look at me. So I'm trying to spend more time here on YouTube, and I appreciate you stopping by even with my little small channel. So I hope you're doing well out there. Stay hydrated, stay safe, stay warm, and until next time, bye.